Classical music is the coolest thing in the world. I understand that the young people, they are often scared because they think, oh my God, this is so boring and I have to go because my mother, because my father, my grandparents, and I have to dress up and everything. If you want to dress up, dress up. If you don't want to dress up, don't dress up.
Gospod Rahlin ima neverjetno energijo na odru in nas vse glasbenike potegne in spodbudi, da damo res največ od sebe.
I'm trying my best to inspire the musicians. The musicians inspire me. I love Slovenia. It is a neighbor of Austria, where I grew up. This is my home. The most important for my profession is that the orchestra is fantastic. And now it has been so many years, so it really becomes more like a family. We had a wonderful week, rehearsing a lot of hours, and I hope that everybody will come to the concerts. Anybody, even children, they love coming to the concerts. Children, teenagers, twins, take all of your friends. You are not going to regret it. Whoever comes once, they start coming twice. If you read about the great composers, they were so fun and so passionate human beings outside of the music as well. Come to Cankarjev Dom tonight and tomorrow night. See you there, see you here.